Modern car diagnostic scanners are no longer exclusive to professional workshops. They've become essential tools for everyday drivers who want full control over their vehicle's health. The latest models can do far more than just read error codes. They provide live data streams, sensor analysis, battery and fuel system checks, even advanced diagnostics for automatic transmissions and ABS. For a mechanic, it's a precision instrument. For a regular car owner, it's peace of mind and real savings on service costs. But with the market flooded by hundreds of options, from compact Bluetooth dongles to full-featured tablet-style systems, choosing the right one can be tricky. That's why in this ranking, we've gathered the best scanners of 2025, models that stand out for accuracy, reliability, and ease of use, so you can pick the perfect tool for your garage or glove box. Starting our list, the Launch CR529 shows how much value you can pack into a compact scanner. This model often carries Amazon's Choice badge, and for good reason. It's more than just a check engine light resetter. You get live data streams in text and graph form, O2 sensor and EVAP system tests, Mode 6 onboard monitoring, and even a one-click smog check. For many drivers, that's already close to professional gear. It also records diagnostic sessions, creates reports you can share or print, and comes with free lifetime updates, so it never feels outdated. Vehicle support is wide. Any OBD2 compliant car from 1996 onward is covered. Plus, it offers 7 language options. The 2.8-inch color screen is clear, and the LED status lights make quick checks simple. Now, the downsides. Don't expect deep system coverage like ABS or transmission. This is still a code reader, not a full workshop tool. And while the menu is functional, it feels a bit dated compared to newer tablet-style scanners. Overall, the CR529 is an affordable, reliable option for car owners who want real diagnostics without spending big, though professionals may need something more advanced. At number 4, we have the MOTOPOWER MP69033. A compact and budget-friendly scanner that still manages to feel like a serious tool. It comes with a built-in DTC lookup library, so when that check engine light pops up, you can instantly understand what's going on. Beyond clearing and reading codes, it shows freeze frame data, IM readiness, vehicle info, real-time data streams, and even live graphs for speed, load, coolant temperature, and RPM. The 2.8-inch LCD screen is bright and clear, and because the device draws power directly from the car, there's no need for batteries. It supports 9 OBD2 protocols, works with most US cars since 1996, and covers many European and Asian vehicles too. 6 language options make it practical for international users. But here's the catch. It doesn't support ABS, airbags, or oil service resets. So if you're after full system diagnostics, this won't be enough. The design is also pretty basic compared to more modern Bluetooth tools. Still, the MP69033 is a straightforward, reliable code reader. It's perfect for drivers who just want quick answers to engine problems without paying workshop prices. In third place, we've got something a little different. The TOPDON BT100, a battery tester that every driver should consider. Instead of scanning error codes, this tool focuses on the heart of your car, the battery. It delivers clear readings on voltage, current, state of charge, and state of health, supporting everything from standard flooded batteries to AGM, EFB, and even gel types. The BT100 goes beyond a simple check. It runs battery health tests, cranking tests to see if your starter system is strong enough, and charging tests to verify your alternator and rectifier are working properly. That means fewer surprises when you hit the road. It's also safe and user-friendly with reverse polarity protection, spark-proof clamps, and a color-coded LED system for quick health checks. Compact enough to fit in a glove box, it's a handy tool for cars, motorcycles, ATVs, even boats. Of course, it's not a full OBD2 scanner, no engine codes or system diagnostics here. But as a dedicated battery analyzer, the BT100 is fast, accurate, and reliable, making it a smart addition to any garage. Sliding into second place, the FOXWELL NT301 is what many mechanics call the check engine doctor.
This little orange and black scanner has built a reputation on YouTube and in garages worldwide for one reason: accuracy. Plug it in and you can instantly read and clear codes, run IM readiness checks, monitor live sensor data, and even graph suspicious readings in real time. That makes tracking down stubborn engine problems a whole lot easier. It's plug and play with no setup hassle, and the 2.8-inch color screen with traffic light LEDs makes emissions checks straightforward. Add in VIN retrieval, one-click hotkeys, and printer compatibility for reports, and you've got a tool that feels like it belongs in a pro's toolbox. But let's be clear, it's still an OBD2 scanner. No ABS, no airbags, no transmission data. Engine only. And some older vehicles may give slower readings. Even so, the NT301 is one of the most trusted scanners out there. Rugged, reliable, and highly recommended by professionals. For anyone who wants serious diagnostics without going full workshop level, this is a must-have.
Taking the crown in first place is the ANCEL HD601, a scanner built not just for cars but for the heavy-duty world of diesel trucks. This powerhouse supports major protocols like SAE J1939 and J1708, making it compatible with giants such as Cummins, Caterpillar, Detroit, Freightliner, and more. From Class 4 to Class 8 trucks, the HD601 gives you full access to critical systems: engine, transmission, ABS, fuel, braking, even ESP and EPS modules. It's more than a code reader, it's a full diagnostic station. You get live data, freeze frames, VIN retrieval, and a massive DTC library with clear definitions. Add in lifetime free updates, multi-language support, and you've got a tool that's always current and ready. The 2.8-inch LCD screen is sharp, the interface is fast, and it comes with multiple cables to fit different truck setups. Of course, it won't cover some older Ford and GM passenger cars using J1850 protocols, and the interface may feel overkill if you just want quick code clears. But for anyone serious about diesel diagnostics, whether you're running a garage or maintaining a fleet, the ANCEL HD601 stands as the ultimate choice in 2025.
And that wraps up our ranking of the best car diagnostic tools for 2025. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a professional mechanic, having the right scanner in your toolkit can save time, money, and a lot of guesswork. From quick code checks to deep system analysis, today's devices prove that diagnostics are no longer locked behind the doors of a workshop. Choose the tool that fits your needs, keep your vehicle in top shape, and stay ahead of unexpected repairs.